Hi everyone, this is Nancy That's Treasure, Homesteading and Gardening. Just a real quick video. I named my cinnamon rolls again because we all love them and they're so good. But on my channel, I'm talking about being dairy free, egg free, and coconut free. And excuse me, they're getting some changes where some of them can have eggs and some can have coconut. But we'll still be making things coconut free and egg free. I didn't have no eggs yesterday. So my cinnamon rolls still came out nice and fluffy and wonderful. They melt in your mouth. What I did use was 2 tablespoons of water, a teaspoon of powder, not powder sugar. It was a teaspoon of oil and a teaspoon of baking powder. And you just stir it and keep stirring it. And what I did was mix everything else together. I stirred my mixture together of the baking powder, water, and oil. And then when I got to where I want it to be, I just put it in with the flour and everything else and mixed it all up. And I was just wondering, I was like, I hope they turned out good. And yes, they did. Here it is. Nice and fluffy. Turn out the same way as you would use an egg. So I was like, oh, I've got to do a video on this. And some updates, I'll be doing some more videos in the mornings. School started and I'm doing online school with my granddaughter. So just give me some time to get in the groove of the school thing. It's different than homeschooling. Online school, it's still online school, but we still got more work to do than what I was doing last year. And the little rascal, she is just as smart as a tack. She had a test the other day about what she knows and what she doesn't know, and she's above average and everything. So I've got to go ahead and do a lot of assessments just to see exactly where she's at. So I will be doing that Monday, and I'll give y'all an update about how far along she is. I told my daughter-in-law I'll have her ready for first grade by the time school starts. So we'll see how far along she is. And I want to say thank you all for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. I'm getting there slowly but surely. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up and ring that bell for notifications for more videos. And thank you for watching Ash's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. And y'all have a wonderful day. Later.